to the latest coming in with regards to the Gyanvapi case, and in the latest we're learning how the Muslim side has sought the Gyanvapi de-sealing. That's the latest coming in. Remember, the plea is in the top court seeking de-sealing of the Wazu area. Harish is also joining us in the meanwhile as the matter has once again reached the courts. Harish, what can you tell us in the latest?
Yes, senior advocate Husaifah Ahmadi, appearing for the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid, mentioned the issue of sealed Wazu Khana, that is the cleansing pond ahead of the namaz in the Gyanvapi Mosque, and reminding the court the entire area of Wazu Khana is sealed at present and Ramzan is going on, and therefore a part of it required to be de-sealed. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said, please mention it before us on April 10th, and then we will see how soon we can hear this, but hinted that the matter will be heard on April 14. Remember, Supreme Court had on November last year extended till further orders the protection of the area where Hindu plaintiffs had alleged that a shivling was found at the Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi. Supreme Court had also endorsed sealing of the entire Wazu area. But now the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid has filed a fresh plea before Supreme Court, saying that in view of the Ramzan period, to protect the religious rights of the namazis, a part of the Wazu Khana needs to be de-sealed to uphold the rights, religious rights of the praying rights of the namazis. So the hearing will happen on April 14. Supreme Court Chief Justice has said that the petition might be listed on April 14, and the court will decide, given the fact that during the Ramzan season, should the part of the Wazu Khana where the shivling was found should be de-sealed or not. Back to you.
So Harish, what the plea says is that this is for Ramzan, like you mentioned, saying that this is the religious right of the namazis and they should be allowed to go in.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. The plea says that the temporary measure is required to protect the religious rights of namazis. So the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid has moved Supreme Court with this particular fresh plea, seeks de-sealing of the part of Wazu Khana area for Ramzan, and Supreme Court has agreed to hear the plea on April 14. Remember, earlier the Varanasi court had upheld the maintainability of the petition.
So the CJ has asked the Muslim side to mention the case before the 10th of April, but has also hinted at the fact that most likely it's going to be hearing the plea on the 14th. Thank you, Harish, for joining us with all those details.